So, guys, I was just doing some routine maintenance on my system this morning, and I use a particular program which does a thorough check of the installed applications on my system and updates the ones that don't have the latest updates. And while it was updating Zoom, this message was displayed on my screen. In December 2025, Zoom will no longer be supported on a 32-bit version. To continue using the most up-to-date version of Zoom, upgrade the application by December 15th. So, after seeing this message, I wasn't quite surprised because about a year ago, I noticed that Linux had also released a statement saying that as of a certain time period, it would not be able to support 32-bit versions of its operating system. And I guess Zoom is also keeping up with the times, so to speak, provided that Windows 11 is the go-to operating system now. And one of the requirements to run it is you have to have a 64-bit operating system. Now, what can you do if you have a 32-bit operating system still and you prefer to use that? You can back up existing copies of the latest versions of Zoom and other 32-bit applications that you will need to use. Also, make sure that you are running the latest version of your operating system on the 32-bit OS of your choice. So if it's Windows 10 or below, go to Windows Update and get the latest updates. Remember that Windows 10 is going to be losing free support by October of this year, so you have to get all of the updates that you can before that time. Beyond October 2025, they're going to be charging you a fee to update your Windows 10 operating system to the latest security patches. Alright, so I just wanted you to be aware that this is happening not only for other applications but Zoom as well. And if you have any suggestions as to what we can do for our next video, please place them in the comments. Thanks for watching.